Can you use AEJuice in CapCut? Yes, you can. Open the AEJuice standalone extension. Find the effect of your liking. Press the download icon. It will open a directory with your download. Then just drag and drop the effect, and it will place it where your playhead is. Click on Adapt. Fine-tune the effect in the right place and test it. If it is not transparent, go to the Blend option and choose Screen from the drop-down menu. Test again and see the result. You can also add a sound effect to make it more interesting. Same action, press the download icon, and it will open a directory with your effect. Drag and drop the item to your playhead. Adjust the item and fine-tune it to your liking. There you go, how cool is that? And maybe you want to add more? Just go through the packages that you bought. Maybe add a cool glitch effect. There almost are endless options. Drag and drop, fine-tune, and Bob's your uncle. For the AEJuice I Want It All bundle that I use, please click on the link in the description. There is also a free pack included if you download the free extension. So there you go. Have some fun and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, goodbye.